this is my screencast for Udacity Machine Learning Nanodegree Program, Machine Learning Engineer with Azure Nanodegree Program. So, and here you see my pipeline, which is created by using the Python SDK. But alternatively, you can also create an AutoML run, like a pipeline through an AutoML run through the interface as well. So this has been done through the SDK uh, by the project file that I followed. Um, so, so it is a working model, and if I click on this pipeline, I will see that. So this is the pipeline. There's some data set. We just uploaded as a CSV file to the data store of Azure Data Stores. So it is analyzed there, and then parsed into the AutoML module. Uh, in this step, there are like lots of automations like finding best features, cleaning data set, and finding the best model and tuning the best parameters, and you get the best of the best here in a very relatively quick way. And so you can get an immediate REST endpoint after this process so that you can share your results in an interactive way with third-party services. So anybody can just send an HTTP request here and then get the prediction while posting the score. So this is this module. Uh, what the model is that if I just go to the experiments and see what is really the model that is selected. Um, so this is a voting ensemble of all the models that have been tried, I guess. So as an ensemble is that like combination of all the models by their accuracies, and then maybe the probably other classifier on their accuracies on the particular instance data, and then you get this voting ensemble, so which has the highest accuracy. So this is the main model that we have published, and we get results, not the rest of them. So just it is important to demonstrate. So the endpoint is this. Um, you see that, and um, as we can consume this endpoint through this um, through the Python SDK with proper libraries, etc. So if I go to my notebooks, uh, here is the endpoint Py that is prepared for sending this data and get the prediction for that. And here's our REST URI for getting the posting and making those requests, and authentication key, authorization key. Sorry, yeah, it should be that. And if we just run the script, we will post the data and get the result. What is this result? Yes and no. So we passed a data set with a person with age 17 and another person with age 87. So there's a very big age difference. So the second guy is very long, very old. The rest is the same. The rest of the attributes are the same, but this first person gets this rest and a yes uh, to loan, and the other person gets a simple no result. So age is a very important factor in getting the loans. It shows that. Yeah, I think that is the end of this presentation. So it is working. It's a working API endpoint with a successful JSON payload that